Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you want to build a website but can't decide between Weebly and Wix? So we'll be comparing these both websites and we'll be discussing their features, their pricing, and the ease of use. So starting with Wix, it has a drag and drop editor which gives you a full design control with 800 plus templates and also an AI powered website builder. On the other hand, if you compare Weebly, it is simpler and the using the great base drag and drop editor that's easier for beginners, but basically it's less flexible for customization. So in a nutshell, if you want a more creative freedom, go with Wix, but if you prefer a straightforward, no fuss website builder, Weebly is a better option. Now discussing with the features, uh, Wix has better SEO tools and third-party integrations with all the advanced e-commerce options. And on the other hand, Weebly, which is now owned by our very famous Square, is best for simple online stores and websites, which is built-in Square payment processing. And if you talk about the pricing, and Weebly is basically offering $10 per month, making it more budget friendly. On the other hand, if you talk about Wix, it offers at around $16 per month, which has more features and design flexibility. So if you're basically tight on budget, Weebly is cheaper, but if you need more powerful features, Wix offers better long-term value. And with that, if you'll ask me to compare both of these, I'll say choose Wix if you need more advanced customization, SEO tools, and e-commerce flexibility, but definitely go for Weebly if you want a simpler, budget-friendly option for personal sites and small businesses. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.